mean, this encapsulates honestly every victim's journey and story. A lot of people think that defense attorneys that, we are the devil and we don't care. Just the opposite, Michael. We do what we do because everyone has a constitutional right to a defense. But we don't ignore what the victim stories are. We can't. We believe in our clients, we fight for our clients, but we understand human suffering and being violated. As a woman as well, there are so many women who are victims of assault, sexual battery, and nobody feels comfortable enough to fight for their justice. And she did, I think, partially because she's an attorney, partially because she's strong. And she's a 29-year-old woman that finally got her story out. I don't think there's anything more powerful, Michael, honestly, than when you finally can face your accuser or face the man who violates you and say, you deserve this, you hurt me. And there's a power and a closure to that, and it's obvious in her voice. She got it. And this is when the justice system, honestly, when we give voice to those who are the voiceless, whether the defendant or the victim, this is a time for healing. And I think she did a beautiful job. But stories like this, it makes you realize the system, we have to have a balance, a common courtesy, and an understanding that victims have a voice too.